How to fix image not showing in the new Outlook. So here I am in the new Outlook application. So from here, you might see some emails that is not showing the images properly. So typically, that happens when you have emails that are received in junk email. So let's go to junk email, and then I have an email right here. And as you can see, I cannot see the image right here properly because sometimes Outlook marks an email as spam or as junk even though it is a legitimate email. So for example, right here, so this is from my other Outlook account, but what happened is that Outlook automatically detected it as junk or spam, even though it's not, because sometimes this happens, a mistake in Outlook that they seem to determine an email as junk or as spam, even though it is a legitimate email. So from here, as you can see, the attachment on this message have been blocked for your safety. So if you are certain that this message is safe, you can mark it as not junk in order to access the attachments, or in this case, the images. From here, you can just click it's not junk, and then it will send out this pop-up window right here to report not junk and never send future messages from this email address to the junk folder. So just click OK. Now that email is removed from your junk email, and then you should now see it in your inbox. So it has been a while for that email. So I think it's this one, this email with attachments. Now we can see properly the images that is inside of the email right here. And then that is basically it. So what you can also do is that, for example, you can go to File, click Settings, and then you can go to Save Senders. It should be right here in Mail, and then go right here to Junk Email. From here, you can see Save Senders and Domains and Block Senders and Domains. So you can double check if there are blocked senders and domains right here that is from a legitimate email address. So just remove them and then add them right here in Save Senders and Domains. So from here, it will go ahead and remember those email addresses, and it will remember not to send them or not to sort them into the junk email, so that you will always receive them in your main inbox. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix images not showing properly in the new Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.